I got Nintendo Switch OLED, and the customer said it's not reading any game. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video game stuff. Don't forget to give me like and subscribe or follow me. So first let's test it. And as you can see, it's not reading game. I use another game to test. And let's see. Again, same problem. Let's start to fix it. First, turn off the console. They have two screws. First one here, the second one here. Oh, it's missing screw. Two screw on this side. And this side you need to open only the first one. And one on this side. And the last one on this side. They have 9 screws, so I need to open it. This is the first one, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last one here. And the last one is under the Wi-Fi cable. And here this is the last one. First, you need to disconnect the battery before you do anything. And this is the board. I need to change it because the card reader is here, so I will change all this board. They have a hidden screw under this sticker. And finally, the card reader is out. The card reader is available on our shop, so if you like to buy it, just go to inxstate.com. And it's easy to install, just be careful. Push here, and that's it. Don't forget to return this screw. Let's return all the parts back and test. Also screws back, and it's time to test. And yes, as you can see, it's read the game. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.